Welcome to our video on how to use Quietum Plus for tinnitus relief. In this video, we will share some tips and best practices to help you make the most out of this natural supplement. If you're tired of dealing with the constant ringing in your ears and are looking for a solution, then this video is for you. Before we dive into the tips, let's briefly understand what tinnitus is. Tinnitus is the perception of noise or ringing in the ears without any external sound source. It can be an absolute nuisance and significantly impact your daily life. While there is no cure for tinnitus, there are ways to manage and reduce its symptoms, and that's where Quietum Plus comes in. The first tip for using Quietum Plus for tinnitus relief is to consult with a healthcare professional. They can evaluate your condition and provide personalized advice on whether this supplement is suitable for you. It's always important to seek professional guidance before adding any new product to your health routine. Once you have the green light from your healthcare professional, it's crucial to follow the recommended dosage of Quietum Plus. The supplement is designed to be taken orally, usually with a glass of water. It's important not to exceed the recommended dosage as it may lead to adverse effects. Consistency is key when using Quietum Plus. It's important to take the supplement regularly as instructed. While it may take some time to experience noticeable improvements, sticking to the recommended dosage and being consistent will maximize the potential benefits of Quietum Plus. In addition to taking Quietum Plus, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can further support tinnitus relief. This includes eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, getting regular exercise, and managing stress levels. A holistic approach can enhance the effects of Quietum Plus and promote overall well-being. Congratulations! You now have a better understanding of how to use Quietum Plus for tinnitus relief. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional, follow the recommended dosage, be consistent, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. By incorporating these tips and best practices, you can take control of your tinnitus symptoms and improve your quality of life.